Said here, I just thought I'd go through how to make the best of the Trade on Sports service, uh, what each service has and the results, and how to make the most of it. Firstly, I think you have to join the Telegram rooms. That's a must. We have quite a few Telegram rooms, and I think to get the most out of the service, you need to join those rooms. We have obviously different types of membership. The platinum membership, £44.95. That's going to go up to £50 next month when the horse racing comes online. We've got Trade on Football membership gold, Trade on Football silver. The silver's in play. The gold is in play and pre-match. We've got tennis silver and tennis gold. Essentially, the silver, that gives you the basic stats, and the reds, the reds, and the tennis gold, it's much more detailed stats. And the ratings and bets, that's the Trade on Sports ratings and Matt's NCAA and NFL. So that's that. And what we'll do, we'll go through here the results. Basically, we have a results page. It's updated once a week on a Monday or Tuesday. And basically, when you click on there, it basically gives you an Excel sheet. But what I've done, I've got the Excel sheets already open, and we can go through this. So let's go through the in-play strategies. So if we go through this, the in-play results, we have a number of strategies here. For example, half-time overs, 3 goals ahead at half-time. Basically, you can, if you want, you can set and forget and bet 3 goals ahead. The only problem here, though, you can have a 32-run losing streak. So maybe you're better psychologically trading this, and that's what we would say the best thing to do for. So 1 point is split over 3 bets. You back 3 goals ahead at half time for 1/4 of a point. Remove the liability when there's a goal. If no goal by 65 minutes, you back 2 goals ahead with 1/4 of a point. Again, if goal, remove the liability. And if you don't have a goal, what you do, you wait until overs. 1 goal ahead is 2.3, and you back for 1/2 a point. So basically, that's that one. It's a set and forget. You've got 1,109 bets, return on investment 12.76, and the point total 141. We've got a half-time overs, a late goal that seems to have gone up, and then it's sort of gone sideways a little. It's coming back now. Lay the draw. I would follow Johnny's advice in the room for that. We've got a 3 ahead at 1-0, 2-0. Again, it's profitable, but you could have a 15 streak losing run, so you've got to sort of be wary of that. Again, we would recommend that you do the previous strategy. You split a point over 3 bets. The lay the draw, again, revert to Johnny in the room. We have a very early late goal bot. The only problem with this, though, it's only fired out 271 bets since August 2020. It's got a 34% return on investment, but we do sort of think that there could be quite a little bit of backfitting here. There's a lot of leagues that aren't included in that. So that's our in-play selections. Then we go to the pre-match. We've got a number of strategies on this. As you can see, the pre-match results, we've got a 2 lay the away side. What we're going to do, we're going to tidy this up over the next couple of weeks, and I think we're going to remove the lay away 80 points. Although it's profitable, it's very, very volatile, and indeed any lay the away is volatile, as we can see here. If we have a look at the lay the away here, the graph is nice, it's going up nicely. 4,072 bets. 1.9 return on investment, but the problem is here, you can see down, it dips down by about 50 points there, so you need to be correctly capitalized. I would use low stakes for this, but I would look to do that. The half-time lay the draw at 0-0 is quite nice. 676 bets, 13% return on investment. That looks quite a good thing to get involved with. As you can see from the results here, very, very little downside really, and quite consistent as well. Whereas obviously when you're looking at these lay the away sides, you can have huge swings here. So I think what we'll do, we're going to keep the lay the away, and we'll probably keep the half-time lay the draw. I think we may remove the others. I think they're just a little bit volatile there. Next, we have the WTA results. The lay the red selections. Got the wrong one there. Just get up the right results. What we've done, we've removed the ATP. What we were doing, we were making good gains with the WTA, but the ATP was going sideways, and it was making the whole thing go sideways. The WTA has been successful over the last 4 seasons. We started recording from scratch here at the 19th of August. 99 bets. We're 10 points up, laying to a point. And laying to a point liability, for say £10 liability, it's £181 up after 99 bets, so over 2 months. So that's a good, and I think this will continue. I was discussing with Matt whether we should use these bets during the majors, and we probably won't. We'll probably not suggest that you play these in the majors. The majors are funny tournaments, as in the early rounds there's a big favourite bias in the early rounds, and I think, you know, that the players, obviously the favourites, tend to want to win these games. Next, we have the pre-match trading. This is my favourite one. Essentially, what I do, I put this advice into the onto the Telegram rooms, and I also do a video as well, so you can see these videos with the results. But here's an example, say like in the Champions League, Vesta against Benfica, back Benfica. The price was 2.04. We said put a stop loss at 2.1. They came into 1.86, so they made 18 points. If we left it on the selection, the Benfica 1 seed had been up 18 points. If you'd have greened up, 9.67. So after about 14 trades in the past couple of months, month and a half, we're 55 points up on the leaving on the selection, and 50 points up on the greening up. I prefer to green up or red up. I prefer to green up and leave, you know, so you're not having to think about it then. And, you know, like I said, that is putting £100 into the market. If you were to put £1,000 into the market, so you're moving at 10 points a tick, you'd be 503 points up after these. And that's just following my advice. You know, there's plenty of opportunities when you look through the software, and this is the best way of making money on the exchanges, I feel. Next up, we have the ratings and bets. The ratings and bets, that comes in with the platinum service. The football, not a great start, nothing really outstanding. We're at minus 0.42 points after 22 bets. Matt's NCA is going well, 97 bets plus 4.8 points, and his NFL is going well as well, 45 bets plus 6.97 points. So those are definitely worth following, I feel. Then we've got, this is an outstanding, this is the football gold. Sorry, I get the proper one. This is the football gold. And essentially here, what you're doing, I came up with this idea. What you're doing, you're seeing where the movement, where there's a difference between the Betfair price and the Pinnacle price, and the Pinnacle price is coming in. And what we found, laying the away side is the best way. So say if we got the home favourites, and it says back the thing, well, lay the away side, that's produced 19.7 points. But also back in the draw, and look at this, back the draw plus 13 points. 1 all plus 18 points, and 2 all plus 49.5 points. The away, this is even more incredible, really. Laying the home side plus 47 points, back in the draw 37 points, 1 all 57.5 points. So, you know, basically, I basically just lay either the home side or the away side. However, Johnny's come up with a thing where you lay the away side for 0.8 points. Say if we're looking at the home, what he'd do, he'd lay the away side for 0.8 points, back the draw for 0.1 point, back 1-0 for 0.1 point, and back 2-0 for 0.1 point. When we're looking at the way, Johnny's system, again, I just lay the home side, but Johnny, 0.8 points, lays the home side, 0.1 point, back the draw, 0.1 point, back 1-0. So that's how we play that. This has been a fantastic system, and you know, like I say, this is really, you know, really the highlight, I think, of the service. Although, you know, we have many things, as you've seen. The horse racing comes online the end of this month, and we'll start including that into the results. But I hope that clarifies anything that you might have. Obviously, go through these. You can look through the results and go through these in detail. They're updated every month. Every week. And yeah, like I say, we'll be pleased to have you on board. But one thing, before you join, please make sure you have access to Telegram. The Telegram rooms are very important to this service. Okay, thanks for watching, and I shall be back later.